because my father-in-law told me, if you are not quitting your job, you have to quit your husband.
Oh,
60, I am running now 62 years running.
oh, wow. And now you have had this courage to start your English language learning journey.
Yeah,
Wow.
because of my granddaughter. I can't speak with her, and she couldn't talk in Marathi.
Only English. Only in English.
Only she's talking only English because she's living in USA.
Ah, so this is
That's
the
why I
beauty.
started to learn onwards to 1st July. I started from your only.
Oh my
First, I
God.
got your video. That time, I think when she can do, I can't do. Why
Why?
I can't do?
Yes, yes, sure. Why not? You are also homemaker. I'm also.
Madam, I want to ask you, how can I improve my English?
I think.
I'm doing very mistakes.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine, man. And you?
I'm also amazing. Thanks for asking. And just by looking at your smiley face, I'm feeling so vibrant. You are
Yeah, I'm also,
beautiful.
ma'am. This is my first call to first you. I
Oh,
started YouTube channel, watching your YouTube channel on 1st July.
oh,
That
that's
time
wonderful.
I think I will I will start from yours only.
Oh, you do have a YouTube channel.
No, I'm not having YouTube channel, ma'am. I started watching your YouTube channel from
Oh,
1st July.
wonderful. And I think you are motivating me a lot to just keep working on my dream and keep working not only for me but also for lots of homemakers, lots of ladies. So, ma'am, just tell
Uh,
me how's life treating you?
Life is treating very well, ma'am. I'm
Wow.
very happy every time.
And this is the purpose of our life.
Yeah,
Only this is the purpose. Okay.
yeah.
And now I'm so intrigued to have a wonderful session with you. And since
Thank
we are
you.
connecting for the very first time, so I would
Very
love
first
to know
time.
something more about you. So could you please introduce
Okay,
yourself?
okay.
Okay.
I'm Shilpa Khadke from Maharashtra in
Okay.
Jalgaon city. That is called Banana City.
Banana City.
I have to, yeah. This banana is famous from our city.
Okay. Wonderful.
Uh, I have two children. My elder one is living in USA, Texas City, and younger one is living in London.
Okay. And means you have only sons.
Yeah, only sons.
Uh, means
Both
your
are
children
sons. We are
they are
living here
married or
only.
they are not married yet.
Yeah, my elder one is married and he has a girl, baby girl. She's
Oh,
I think she's 5 years old.
oh, it means
My daughter is
you are a very lovable
granddaughter is,
grandmother.
yeah, I'm a grandmother also.
That's good. That's a great feeling.
I'm 60. I'm running now 62 years running.
Oh, wow. And now you have had this courage to start your English language learning journey.
Yeah,
Wow.
because of my granddaughter. I can't speak with her and she couldn't talk in Marathi.
Only English. Only in English.
Only she's talking only English because she's living in USA.
Ah, so this is
That's
the
why I
beauty.
started to learn onwards to 1st July. I started from your only.
Oh my
First, I
God.
got your video. That time, I think when she can do, I can't do. Why
Why?
I can't do?
Yes, yes, sure. Why not? You are also homemaker. I'm also homemaker. And I would say you have enough knowledge about learning, how to learn anything. And I'm just a totally naive and I'm here to learn something more from you.
I'm running my medical shop, ma'am, also.
Oh,
Last 30 years, I'm handled my medical shop, and we have two medical shops. My husband and I also both are a different medical shop. Last 5 years, uh, I closed my shop, and I am handling with my husband. I am helping hand of my husband now.
so it means you are doing so many things at the same time. You are wearing too many hands, and it means you cook food and you manage your household
Yeah,
chores and everything on your
yeah.
own.
I also do food, and there is no servant in my house and in my shop also. We both are doing all work.
Means you don't have any helper.
No any helper.
And I think I would have to salute you that you have that much courage to handle your household chores, your home, means cooking, everything. And apart from that, you are handling, means you are helping your husband. And more than that, now you have started your English language learning journey for the sake of your
Yeah,
daughter, just to speak
yeah.
with her.
Speak with her. Speak with her.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I also uh, courage of you, because I saw your 4 a.m. video that you are doing yoga and something. That's why I'm very happy with you.
Wow, wow. I think you are now just filling me with the energy. And now I'm feeling really very inspiring, or I'm feeling too much
Yeah.
motivated to keep doing it.
Mm.
Otherwise, before connecting to you, before
Mm.
looking at you, I was like thinking it would be kind of a normal conversation, but now it was my perception, but it is going to fill me with the energy to just keep working. And you have, just by connecting with you,
Yeah. Earlier,
I relate.
earlier I have also do yoga and meditation, and earlier I also do, but now I am doing walking for
Hmm.
5 kilometers walking. Every day
Every
I
day.
do 5 kilometers walk.
Oh my God.
Yeah, every day. 6 to 7:30 I do walking.
I
Earlier I do yoga. Yeah.
Miss, so ma'am, now I'm so intrigued to know about your daily routine. Means you have mentioned several things. So now I'm so excited to know about how do you manage, what is your particular routine which you follow on day-to-day basis.
First of all, I wake up at 5 o'clock. Then I do my regular work. And after that, 6 a.m. I took two glasses of water
Okay.
and go for walk. 7:30 I came. 7:30 I came at home, and I take little tea, because I am having sugar. Without sugar, I am taking tea, one toast or a little bit of cashew nut, yeah,
I think dry fruits
almond,
or fruits. Yeah.
dry fruits I am taking. After that, I am doing my household chores and making cooking. Cooking also, I am doing cooking. And 10 o'clock, after 10 o'clock, I am going my shop.
Okay.
Okay, and
You help
then
your
2
husband
o'clock,
throughout the day.
daily I'm going to shop, and coming back to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock at 2 and 3 o'clock. I am doing uh, watching your videos and other things.
Means when you get
and,
your free time, you just watch my
and
videos.
3 o'clock also, 3 o'clock I am making tea and filling it in thermos and going to shop again.
Again.
Shop again. My husband also want to my tea only. They are not taking tea another, because
Okay.
they also using without sugar tea. We both are taking without sugar tea. And after the 6 o'clock, again I am coming at home. I am making
Dinner.
dinner, cooking dinner, and after that I am eating. And also, and again I am going to shop. After that, my husband came at home and he eat his dinner, and again he's in shop. 9 o'clock and 9:30 we came back,
Both of you.
both of.
And when do you have your dinner? Every day?
Yeah, I take first dinner before my husband because I make 6 o'clock dinner. Then I eat my first dinner and go for shop. My husband came back at home and they took his dinner by own. And
Oh.
again he came at shop.
Means you managed to have your dinner by before 7 p.m. Both of you.
6 to 7 p.m. both.
Yeah,
6 to
that's
7
good.
p.m. And morning dinner also 10 to 10:30.
That's good. That's good.
Morning
That's very,
dinner.
very helpful
10 to
for our health
10:30.
because at least there should be a difference. And there should be at least 3 hours difference between our dinner time and our sleeping time.
Yeah. 3-4 hours we are getting our sleeping time.
Only 3 and 4 hours.
Yeah, 3-4 hours. It
Still,
will
you
be
are so
10,
vibrant.
10
You are full of
o'clock,
energy.
10:30. I will sleep.
Then what do you put in the vegetable means because of which you are so energetic after entering into your 60s? What do you eat normally? Like I'm so amazed. What do you eat? What do you have?
Vegetable only.
Energetic.
I eat vegetable raw. I eat salad. Most of salad I eat.
Salads.
One roti, salad, and vegetable, green
Okay.
vegetable. On Sunday, I have to non-veg.
Non-veg. Okay. Okay. But in my case, I don't have
Mm.
that much energy to be energetic throughout the day. And people, they always complain. Means they don't get 8 hours sleep. And I think it is scientifically proved that each and every human being should have at least 8 hour good sleep. But you have just totally proved them wrong that 8 hour sleep is not essential for us to be active throughout the day. I think especially all the students and all the homemakers, they should learn from you that 8 hours sleeping, if you want, it means you are a kind of a procrastinator. If a lady who is already 60 plus and she manages all the work, and despite doing everything, she gets only 4 hours and she's learning something at this age, then I think we can get lots of time throughout the day to be just start our English language learning journey, to do anything, whatever we want. And I think your kids, they must be so blessed that they have got you as a
Yeah,
mother.
my kids are very happy with me. We can't speak daily. Only on Sunday we can speak because they are also having work. They are
Yeah,
also
I can
busy.
understand. I can understand. Okay, so ma'am, I have some questions for you. So may I ask?
Yeah, sure,
Okay,
ma'am.
so my first question is only about your husband. Does your husband help you in doing household chores?
Yeah, ma'am. No, my husband is not now. Is not helping me because he opens shop 8 a.m.
Oh,
8 morning at 8 a.m. He opened the shop and didn't close 9:30
like it's more than
till
12 job.
yeah, ma'am. He is also very hard
Yeah,
worker.
hardworking man.
Yeah, he is also very hard worker and he is very humble person.
Wow. I also need this type of man. My husband, he also helps me, but because of my family members, like my in-laws, because he has to take care of them and he lives in a village. So their mentality is totally different from the metropolitan city people's. So because of that, sometimes altercation happens with us, means fight happens with us, but I
Oh,
manage. I
yeah.
manage every time.
Oh.
Okay, ma'am. So
The
I want,
husband help us.
yeah, yeah.
When
Please.
husband help us, we can do everything.
Hmm. Okay. So my next question is for you. As you mentioned, means your husband doesn't help you, means you do all work on your own. So I want to know from you how
Yeah.
long it's been since you got married.
We got married at 1985.
1995.
1985.
1985. Oh my God.
Yeah, we got married.
And
I think
I was
39
born in
years,
1994.
35 years. No,
Yeah.
not 35, ma'am. 1985, I got married. Now it's 25. 39 years I got married.
39 years. Means, so how do you feel when you look back at your earlier marriage days? So, and after reaching at this moment, how do you feel?
Ma'am, I am also related like you because my uh, father-in-law and mother-in-law is not helpful to me
Oh,
earlier. They also, yeah, that's why I'm told you that I'm also related to you like you.
means both of us, we are
They
the
are
same
also,
boat.
yeah, yeah, we are
Yeah.
the same boat. They nowadays they gone off, but
Means they have passed
now
away.
I am, yeah, they have passed
Oh, so
away.
now you are
But
relaxed.
earlier uh, they don't want to do anything for me. I am a government servant first.
Oh,
1983, I had a MTNL servant. After marriage, that people told me you have to uh,
quit your
you
job.
have to quit your job. You have to quit your job. I
Hmm.
quit my job 1989.
Then you quit. You quitted.
Yeah, I quit because my father-in-law told me, if you are not quitting your job, you have to quit your husband.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's
How
why
could
I
you
quit my
how could
job.
you say that?
Yeah,
It is really very desperating thing for a housewife when she has to choose between her dreams and
earlier we
her
are in
husband.
Bombay, we are in Mumbai. Earlier we are in Mumbai. There as my husband is municipal corporation pharmacy shop. Uh, he is also a government servant. I am also a government servant.
But only
But my
you had to quit.
father-in-law,
You
yeah,
had to
we
quit your
both are,
job.
we both quitted our job and he called us in Jalgaon.
Hmm. I don't know why
After that,
in-laws they always do like that.
I don't know. I also don't know, ma'am, because but my husband couldn't talk with uh, before him. They also quit the job and come here and open the shop.
Miss, now you have your own show.
Yeah, I have my own shop. I have my
Okay.
own. After that, I 2 years I do beauty parlor course and beauty parlor running my beauty parlor, and after that I open again my pharmacy shop, another one,
Hmm.
and then I run 25 years medical shop, and now 5 years before I quit my job, quit my shop again, and now
Now
I
you
am
have only
helping
one
my
shop.
husband.
Now you have only one shop.
And now only
Okay.
one shop.
Yeah, it's
And
very
we are
good.
doing
It's
hmm,
very good. At least when we work separately, like you were working at a different shop and your husband
Yeah,
was
we're
working at a
working.
different shop. So
Hmm.
you didn't get lots of time to spend together, but at least just by working
Yeah,
at the same shop, now you are
yeah,
getting lots of
yeah,
time to spend each other. Because this is the
yeah.
time that we always look for in our life. We just want
Look
to
for.
spend lots of time with a partner. We just want to fight with him. We just want to share so many things with a partner.
Madam, I want to ask you, how can I improve my English?
I think
I'm doing very mistakes
this is the process of
in my talking.
learning. This is the process
Yeah,
of learning. Mistakes are going to be there. Mistakes are the part. You will have to just listen and speak. Right now, what is your problem? The main common error that I would like to tell you, you will have to work on. जब आप अपनी डेली रूटीन में बताते हो, then don't use I am doing, I am eating. No, I eat, I
I
go.
eat.
Yeah,
I go. Okay.
I eat my dinner before 7 p.m. or I have my dinner
Oh,
before 7 p.m. When we have to use
oh,
present continuous tense like ing, okay? ing we use when I am doing some work and I have to tell that I am doing this and this. Like right now we are talking, हम बात कर रहे हैं, so we
oh,
can say we are talking to each other. Okay? Like अभी मैं
oh.
खाना बना रही हूँ और you have called me. Okay, Yashoda, what are you doing? I can say I am cooking food. मैं भी खाना बना रही हूँ. But मैं रोज खाना बनाती हूँ. I cook food every day.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the concept.
And
You know,
continuous work is
yeah, when some work is being done. Okay.
talking about continuous work, everyday
हाँ.
work. They do not use ing.
No, no, no. ing when we use
Then,
like अभी आप कपड़े धुल रही हो, युवा
uh,
आप कपड़े धुल रहे हो, मैंने आपके हस्बैंड ने पूछा आप क्या कर रहे हो, अरे तुम थोड़ा बाहर देख लो, मैं अभी कपड़े धुल रही हूँ, मतलब कि आप वो काम अभी कर रहे हो. द प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन. कोई काम करने का प्रोसेस अभी हो रहा है.
going on.
आई
Process
एम
is
डूइंग
going.
दैट वर्क. आप
Okay.
suppose you are watching my video, okay? Your husband, he want you, he has called you or he wants you to cook something or make a cup of tea. So you can say, okay, right now I can't do because right now I am watching a video. I am watching an English video because अभी आप देख रहे हो. That's why. और अगर आपको कहना कि मैं रोज आपकी वीडियो देखती हूँ, I watch your videos every day. This is the
ed
simple.
लगाना है. I watch simple watch. Okay.
Yes,
I,
simple.
I watch your video every day.
When you want to say कोई काम जो आप रोज करते हो, आप रोज 5 बजे उठते हो, you wake up every day at 5 a.m. Then you drink 2 glass of lukewarm water. You go for morning walk. जो काम आप रोज करते हो, which is your habit, okay? You will have to use present simple tense. Verb means subject, then verb. I go, I eat, I prepare, I do, I learn, I read, I watch. Okay? Or when you are doing something, someone asks, what are you doing? Actually, right now I'm having my food, so I can't talk to you. अभी मैं अपना खाना खा रही हूँ, मैं आपसे बात नहीं कर सकती. मैं अभी टीवी देख रही हूँ, मैं तुमसे 5 मिनट बाद बात करूंगी. Okay?
Video is your internet connection is I think low.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, my side Wi-Fi is not working. Actually, I have also shifted to a different place just because of my work.
I
Okay.
saw your new
Yeah.
house also. I saw your video.
Yeah. So because of that, here we haven't got the Wi-Fi connection yet. And maybe within 3 or 4 days we'll get. And then I will have the good connection. But right now I will have to manage because I never wanted to miss that opportunity. So because of that, I connected with you through my phone data. And I'm so glad that you have connected with me. Okay, so ma'am,
Yeah, I'm also glad, ma'am. Okay,
I have a
sorry.
very simple question because you are the
Yeah.
experienced one, I think. You have already spent
Uh,
more than 35 years in your marriage life. So what is the
yeah.
main thing which is really very important in order to maintain that relationship?
In Marathi, we are telling तडजोड. I don't know तडजोड is the English word. What is तडजोड? Every person have तडजोड. अब तडजोड को क्या कहेंगे इंग्लिश में वो नहीं पता मुझे.
In Hindi?
एक दूसरे को संभाल के लेना,
Oh,
समझ लेना.
understanding, I think.
Understanding.
Understanding each other.
Understanding each other. Understanding each other.
Yeah, and that's very important because without understanding each other, we can't take our marriage life for a very long time. And I
Yeah.
think this is the main reason. Everywhere you can see people after getting married, they have their affairs, or
Yeah.
ladies, they are getting divorced, husband, they have their extra
Within
affairs.
2 days, they are getting divorced.
Yeah,
Within 2 days, how can we? They understand each other, huh? In two
no,
days,
no,
how can we? We can't understand each other in 2 days.
it's not possible.
We
It's not
don't.
possible.
It's not possible. Why they are taking divorce? I don't know.
And even it's been 10 years, but still sometimes I always wonder, I don't know properly my husband. And my husband, he doesn't know me properly. Because nowadays I'm getting so many unique things. Like now I am so aligned towards like yoga, meditation. So sometimes my husband, he consider me as a Babaji. Don't try to be a
Oh,
Babaji. Yeah.
oh. But
Yeah, he
sometimes they
always
also
smiles.
appreciate you. Sometimes they appreciate you because of you are improving yourself. They also
Yes, yes.
understand कि she is improving herself. They understand you after sometimes.
Surely, surely they will
Very
understand me. And
important.
even he understands me. My husband, he
Oh,
understand me, but just because of my parents, my in-laws, they are just like your in-laws. Like we have shifted here, still my father-in-law, he's protesting. Means you will have to stay here. You can't go there. But somehow I was so
same,
adamant and
same condition, my also.
I was
But
stubborn, so I
I
have shifted
suffered
here.
a lot earlier. I suffered a lot. But
And
I am
nowadays,
confident.
my father-in-law, he doesn't eat anything. He doesn't eat anything. So again, we are totally perplexed what to do, what not to do. But I just want to continue with my work because when I used to live with my in-laws, so my father-in-law, they are five brothers. So all brothers, they live in the neighborhood. All of them, they
Okay.
have
Oh,
kids. Okay, they have kids. They have grandson. So they used to come and disturb me from morning to till night.
oh,
I was not able to focus on my work. I was not able to
oh,
have sessions. And because of that, I had to shift it from here. I had to shift. This was my I shifted just because of out of compulsion.
oh.
Because I can live without
Sometimes
my family members, but I can't live without my goal, without my reason of life. Because this language has
family
given me a particular reason to live.
एक ऐसा है फैमिली मेंबर बाद में जुड़ जाते हैं लेकिन हमारा गोल अगर स्टक हो गया
Yeah.
तो आगे नहीं जा सकते हैं. फैमिली मेंबर जुड़ सकते हैं बाद में भी.
Actually, family members, when you're surrounded by your family members, then being a daughter-in-law, you are supposed to make only others happy. You will have to
Yeah.
compromise all the time, even for your
Okay.
food. When you cook something delicious, then when it comes your turn, then you get nothing. There's nothing left
Get
for you
nothing.
to have. This
Okay.
thing happens in the long family because my
In village,
family is a very huge family. Okay, there are 10 members in my family, so you can think like how much it's difficult. Yeah.
In
So then,
villages, there are this condition is every time
yeah,
in villages.
still actually my village people's thought and all of them, this only patriarchy. Women is only bound within a room or within her house. Still, I have got this much name and fame. Still, I don't have the right. I don't have the liberty to go out of my room to go anywhere. I don't have the right to buy anything. My husband, he goes to market. He gets everything from the market, but I don't go anywhere.
In I think in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, there is a like this condition. In Maharashtra, there is now not in like this condition.
Actually, it depends on education as well. If you are someone who is educated,
Education.
so
Yeah.
you understand the value
Yeah.
of a woman in the family. But in villages, we consider women as a machine of producing kids. As
Yeah, first this as producing only as a machine.
yeah, as a machine for producing babies and then doing all the household chores as a
Mm.
house helper. Like you have to cook,
Okay.
you have to do the laundry, you have to take care of the kids, you will have to work in the farm. Okay,
Okay.
you will have to cook early in the morning, then you will have to go to the farm, work there from morning to till night, then come back home, cook food for all the family members. The rest of the family members, they will take rest. But only a daughter-in-law has to cook food, and after 10
Cook
p.m.,
food
then
and
she will be
do
able
all
to
uh,
sleep.
yeah.
Yeah.
I am
So, ma'am,
my father also lives in villages. That
because of
time
that,
we,
your father-in-law had that type of mentality.
mm,
Yeah. So, ma'am, the time is about to finish. Okay. So,
okay.
it's my request next time again means I would like to have one more